Night's live session. It's nice to have you guys here. Let's quickly kickstart today's live with our setup. Oh my god, sorry, I forgot to. I forgot to. Okay, quick. Let's. Sorry, I forgot to enable the do not disturb mode. So let's quickly get right to this setup. Now, today's setup, the chart type is going to be candlesticks, as usual. Then we're going to enable the timer here. We're going to enable the timer for the candlesticks and disable this auto scroll thing. Then the next thing, we're going to choose M1 for the time frame for the candlesticks. So we're going to come here now into this straight time area. So over here, we're going with M1. But hold on, guys. Let me quickly. I want to go with the sellers here. I'm trying to clear this balance, but let me see how this trade goes quickly. So over here right now, we're going with M1 on flag mode, and this is going to be M1. Then this second hand is going to be on 0, like we'll set it to 0. It's very important. Hey, nice to have you here. Hi Omiko, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So basically, we'll set this to 0. So it's very important that we set to 0. And we're going to be going with 12.5% of our balance. Let's just clear this one quickly. Then we'll take a very beautiful trade on this particular market. Just hold on. After we clear this balance, we'll start afresh. Then we'll take a very beautiful trade. Okay, fine. So we'll load an amount that makes sense in the market. Then we'll go with 12.5% of the balance. Now, guys, we have, you see this area, look at this. This is a level, but you see this resistance level has been broken. You see, immediately we break this resistance level now. Hi, Oluwasegun. It's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Good evening, please. Why do most trading gurus? Sorry, I couldn't read the whole thing. Please send me a dot quickly. I would like to finish reading your your question. Sounds like it's going to be a very interesting question. Okay. Why do most trading gurus on YouTube trade only by this time of the day? Well, I don't know. I don't know really. I'm trading right now. I usually trade on several times actually. And I don't just only trade by this time. It's just a convenient time for me right now. But very soon that's gonna change because please, how can I be a student? Okay, if you want to be if you want to be my student, join the Barter-Pro mentorship. The Telegram channel link in the description of this video and send me a message on Telegram. Just send me a message on Telegram that you would like to join Barter-Pro mentorship, and I'll give you all the details you need to join. I'll tell you how much it will cost. I'll tell you all the information you need basically. So just click the Telegram channel link in the description and send me a message on Telegram, and I'll give you all the details you need. It's very simple. It's not very hard like that. Now, I was trying to explain this setup because we're going to take a trade inside this setup. So let me quickly show you. You see this area is an area of resistance in the market, and the area of resistance is broken right now to the upside. You can see these bars are becoming weak. Very soon we may have an exhaustion candle that will come down, like a long obnoxious candle that just push to the downside, or it might go up depending on what the market wants to do. But if it comes down, now we have a demand area down here. We need to look for the decision points. Okay, fine, we found it. Look at decision point. This decision point that broke this level. we are going to mark it. So immediately price comes down into the decision point, we're going to take a trade with the buyers. We're going with the buyers. Immediately it touches that area, we're going with the buyers. Guys, thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and like the video. If you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. That would be amazing. Yes, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you would like to be part of the history in making, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. I hope you guys are feeling great today. Hey Mujid, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. Yes, so I know some of you were wondering, like, we didn't have the live session yesterday. I was I needed some rest that yesterday. I wanted to actually click the live button, but I just needed the sleep. I was like, no. At some point we just need to sleep. We just need to rest, you understand? So you can see we have that exhaustion candle going to the upside. But eventually when price comes back down here, we'll take a good trade. So this is gonna be a very good one. Plenty money won't finish you. Yes, so amen. Oh, make plenty money finish us, I beg. Eventually now, it will happen. You understand? But as it is right now, we have to keep pushing regardless. You understand? Even today I'm feeling sleepy, but I was like, no way. We're going for it regardless. Ariam LBB1 demo. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Yeah, this is my demo account. Yes, guys, please go ahead and like the live. I really appreciate it. Yes, go ahead and like the live. Thank you so much for those who have liked the video already. I really appreciate you guys. Please go ahead and like the live. The more we like the live, the more YouTube is going to recommend it to the rest of our friends. So we should actually like the live. This market is more like a basic market structure pattern that is broken. So it was a ranging market before. Look at this range. You can see we had a ranging market that broke to the upside. So that area is the area of resistance, and this will be the support side. So you can see now. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Yes, guys, please double tap your screen. Now I feel like going with the buyers here. If we have a gap down, that would be a good confirmation to go with the buyers. No gap down. But you know what? Let me see if we can actually go with the buyers. I found a place where we can go with the buyers. Down here. If price comes down here, we can go with the buyers. But let me check S15. I can't find any entry. Let me check S10. I really shouldn't be trying this much. You understand? But if it comes down here, we can go with buyers. But if it doesn't, then we don't take the trade. Because I'm expecting buyers to come in. Oh, okay. This is like the easiest place I can take the trade. Oh, come on. It jumped up again. I wanted to take the trade inside this entry here. I'm expecting a push to the upside from here. But no. Instead it pushed to the downside. Okay, cool. Let me see if there's another reason to go with the buyers. We have one more reason to go with the buyers, but I can't take that trade right now because it's not sufficient. But the buyers may actually come in. Well, I'm better off finding a better entry. There's a demand here. Though there was another demand in the lower time frame that was broken there. but I'm not going to like stress over it. This is our lower time frame entry. I was hoping this evening star pattern is going to retrace. Though if we had a gap down, maybe it would have retraced. You understand? Is it possible to just base all trade entries on just 3 time? I don't know what you mean by that, but no, you cannot just base it on just time frames alone. You need to have a setup first. You understand? So it has to be based on your setup, not based on time frames. You're using demo account to trade live. Yes, I am. Lash boy, thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you here. Let's look for a very good opportunity in the market. Funny enough, one thought just came to my mind now when I read Lash boy's comments. Like you're using why are you using demo to trade? Yeah, it's because it's a practice session. So there's no cause for alarm. Everything's under control. Or you know what? There's no cause for control. Everything's under alarm. You understand? Oh, this is a beautiful thought breakout. Guys, can you see this? Did you see this? I know some people must have seen it already. First touch low, second touch lower low. Price came broke this level. You go with the sellers here. Beautiful trade. This is another thought up here, but it's not a valid one. This one is not a valid one, though. The sellers are coming in, but it's not a valid one. I probably won't take this trade. Well, no problem. This trade seems. Let's see what happens in this market. I'll keep an eye on it. No, not this one. This one. We'll keep an eye on that market. But let's keep checking. We may find a very good opportunity in the market. We've already lost half of our balance, so we need to be careful. There's a decision point down here, but I think that decision point is. Hey, Softera, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. My brother from South Africa, thank you very much. Hope you're feeling great today. If you are trading in demo, it's different from real. When you trade with demo, you are trading with. No, it depends. It actually depends on the person trading. You understand? If you're an experienced trader, you probably must have dealt with your emotions to some extent. You understand? But you are better off learning and understanding the market without the emotions so that when you get to the market, real market, you can now begin to learn the emotional side of things. You understand? So that's part of what I teach my students in the Barter-Pro mentorship series. You understand? I teach them the emotional side of things. I make them understand that emotions are very real in the market. You understand? And they go a long way to affect your trades. But at least know what to do first before the emotions side. I just like the video. It's nice to be here. Thank you very much. I'm so glad you are here too. You understand? Yesterday I was not here. I needed some rest yesterday, but we're back now, so we can take our trades. And today there's no pressure. We're not rushing. Even though we lost like half of our balance, but we're still cool. You understand? We'll build it back up, then we'll make good profits. You understand? That's just the way it is. This is a total breakout that failed actually. I'm gonna go with the buyers here. I'm expecting a rejection to the upside. If it doesn't happen here, it's gonna happen down here. So let's wait. But I hope it happens here in this my entry. So let's wait and see. If it doesn't happen there, I'm going to enter again in this one. Then I'm expecting a pullback here. Oh, come on. I was actually expecting it to pull back more than this. Let's see. We have 30 seconds. Don't jump. Thank you. Actually, this is how it's meant to be. Yes, it was a great entry. No, that first one was a flop, but 1, 2, 3. Okay, this candle was an exhaustion candle. I should have gone with buyers. If it comes to this round number down here, I'll go with the buyers. This 1.835200. You understand? If it happens to come down there, I'll go with the buyers. And there's a QM down here too. I didn't see the QM on time. Let me see if I can mark that QM. There's a QM down here. Now we can go with the buyers if we have a red candle. Yes. So I'll wait for margin of safety, then I'll go with the buyers. Give us margin of safety now. Come on. Yeah, now. They are contemplating if they should go down. There should be a retracement here, but that retracement should be under this round number. This is 1.1835200. They reversed. Now I'm expecting a green candle here. We have fifth candle theory. We still have this supply area that is strong. It's a very strong demand area, I mean, with the buyers. So we have a QM down here. I think that trade is gone already. Let me see. Okay, there's a QM and it's valid. Let's check if we have an entry below that QM. If price comes down there, we can, okay, you can see we have an entry here. So what do? We'll take the trade. We're going to take that trade. So the buyers came in over there, but there are still buyers entry here. So we'll take it. It's a lower time frame entry. We're going to mark it. We'll go back to M1, then we'll extend this. You can see, guys, see that fifth candle theory. A lot of people laugh when I talk about fifth candle theory, but it works. You guys you've observed the repetition I always talk about. You understand? When you see these 4 red candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fifth candle, you can see it's a divergent. It happens most of the time. Let's check that market that we're looking at the other time. Okay, if price comes down into this entry, we're going to go with the buyers. So let's check this one too. We don't have any opportunity here yet, so we will not bother with this market, but we'll just keep an eye on it. So you can see that trade that we missed, that we lost here now, you can see that area became an DBS. You understand? It was a demand area in lower time frame, but when price came there, you can see they rejected to the downside. Price came again the second time, they rejected. That tells you that this area was actually a good area for us to take a trade before. But the probability of the sellers was more than the probability of buyers then that time. You understand? So those are the things that we need to be able to figure out when we are taking trades. Now, you see this level is a very strong level in the market. We may have sellers coming, especially if they break this overlapping level. Let me mark it. Okay, sellers are rejected from that level already. This is the overlapping level I'm talking about. You see, at the minute they broke this level to the upside, we can go with the sellers after it. Then if we go to the lower time frame, we may find an entry. Okay, look at this. This is an entry. You see this area. We have this round number 18.35600. This is a very good place. Let me check S15. Okay, there's another one here, but I'm not going to take that one. Okay, so let's mark this. All right, here we go. Oh, I was hoping for a gap down. I wanted to go with the buyers, but no gap down. But no problem. We need to keep checking this market because eventually price will come into this area and we have to be ready. Let's check other markets that we've not marked at all. Well, the buyers finally came in, but this trade is the probability is not on the high side. So let's check another market that we've not checked or that we've not marked. No opportunity here. Let's check this. We have a double bottom here, so price is going to keep going up. After this candle, they are going to push to the upside. We don't have an opportunity here yet, so I'm looking for one epic third breakout. That would be fantastic. One nice doji break. Okay, we have a common point of rejection here. This may be a good trade for us. You know what, let's take this trade. Above this place would have been the best area to take the trade. But this one should work because we have a gap up in favor of the sellers and sellers. So I'm counting on that. Above this roundabout would have been the best area though. No worries, we'll take another trade. I'm expecting a red candle here. Let's see how that goes. Let's just wait for it. Let me see. Okay, I may be wrong about this trade. I should have waited for this candle to finish, then go with the sellers. Okay, the sellers finally came in. I was expecting the sellers, but you know the way it was, the buyers were pushing as if it's their birthright. So, well, no problem. No problem. Okay. We have a gap down here. Let's see. I really want to go with the sellers for the next candle. Well, let me see something on higher time frame. Okay, we're definitely going with the sellers. We're definitely going with the sellers. I will tell you what I saw in M5 just now. Let's go full margin on this. We have fifth candle theory playing out here. You understand? And in M5, I saw something. I'll show you quickly. Don't worry. I'm expecting the sellers to come in here regardless of this gap down. Now, this is what I saw on M5. You see, we have this doji. You understand? In M5. Now, usually when you have a doji break like this, you understand, you should be expecting the sellers to come in. You understand? So, the only thing against us right now is this gap down, which I think is going to be in our favor though, regardless of the gap down. So let's go back to M1, or let me check M3 and see. Let's see. It should still be in our favor. So let's just wait and see if I'm totally wrong this time around. But let's just wait and see. Though it's a whole lot of tug of war between the buyers and sellers. You understand? We have 3 seconds. That was very close, but it was a win. So what we just did there now is they call it multi frame analysis. Like when you go to multiple time frame to check if the direction of the trade you're about to take is going to be in your favor. You see, according to M5, this next candle, I mean, the next 3 minutes should be with the sellers, according to M. So now, if we come back to M1 now, we have a high here, and now we have a lower high. That signals, that's like sellers signals. You understand? Hey Timmy, it's nice to have you here. He's doing tinkle tinkle. He's doing tinkle tinkle with our trade. Yeah, so now you see this next candle now has a gap up in favor of the sellers too. If we have another gap up in favor of the seller, oh, we have a gap down now. We're not going with the sellers again. How are you? Hope you're feeling great today. Yeah, guys, we have Timmy in the house. You know, so Timmy is one of our OGs on this channel. Guys, please go ahead and welcome Timmy to the live. You know, Timmy has been one of our very consistent supporters on the channel, and he's been very, very consistent with us. Thank you very much, Timmy. Thank you for your support. It's nice to have you here. So you can see now from M5. Look at this. We have a doji, and we have a doji break. Then we have a doji retracement here. So sometimes that's how you are able to like detect the movement of the market. Is just by going in doing multi time frame analysis and checking what could be the fate of the next maybe 3 minutes or 4 minutes in the market. Then you compare your analysis with what you have in M1. You understand? So you're welcome. It's it's my pleasure. You understand? So let's check that market. Oh, that market. Okay. Ah, you understand? Let's see if that multi-time frame analysis will work here too. Yes, guys, let's like the video. Thank you so much, guys. Please let's like the video. Okay, you see, in the M5 now, we still have that same setup. You understand? And down here is a demand area. You can see. So just by looking at more higher time frames or lower time frames, you can tell what is going to happen. Because if at least 3 time frames support each other like that, you can see. If you go to M1, trading is not for the weak. Engineering, thank you so much for joining. Yes, it's not for the weak, but trust me, it's very interesting if you know what you're doing. You get the gist. It's very, very, very interesting. So let me go back to that 25%. So really, it makes so much sense. Let me remove this from the market that we're watching. What happened here? Oh, that QM trade that we marked. You can see market just blew past it as if nothing happened. But I can tell you that if price comes back to this area now, they are going to reject from this area. If price comes back to this area, they are going to reject. But don't worry yourself. So we're just going to wait on this. Let's check the other market. I think that last market we traded, we should mark it. So if we go back to M5 now, you see we have that red candle. You understand? So I tell you that these strategies work on multi-time frames. You understand? This is part of your proof that it actually works on higher time frame also. The question is, are you patient enough to wait for 5 minutes for one candle to form? Or are you prepared to wait for 15 minutes for one candle to form? If you cannot, your best bet is to learn how to trade 1 minute. But back then, when I was trading 5 minutes, everything was on slow motion. I was very happy. It's as if the market is on slow motion. You understand? You mark one entry, you wait, but eventually to come. Immediately hits your entry, you take your trade. That's it. Oh, we should go with the sellers here. we should have a red candle here. We should have a red candle here. Please don't jump. Please don't jump. Thank you. Okay, let me show you quickly what I saw. Here we have this doji, and you see this is a ranging market. It's just starting. You understand? The market is ranging, but it just started a range. You understand? We're going to have another red candle after this green. But you see, we cannot just take that trade unless we see reasons, proof. You understand that we should take the trade. So let me go to higher time frame again. Let's see what's gonna happen. Look at the huge gap up. Yes, exactly. You understand that huge gap up? You can see. Okay, fine. We can take the trade, but I'm hoping we have a gap up. That would be beautiful. Please give us a gap up. No gap up. I'll wait for this round number, then I'll take this trade. If it touches this round number, that's why I'll take the trade. Oh, come on. What happened? Okay. I wanted price to come to this round number. Come on now. Give us the entry. Oh. Sometimes you are waiting for extra confirmation. I miss very good trade. It happens like that though sometimes. That you're waiting for good confirmation, then you miss a beautiful trade. So we're in a doji. We just have a doji break, and this is a new range forming because of this doji. So we have this doji break. You can see. Look at this. This is beautiful. I was just waiting for extra confirmation before taking the trade. Above that round number was my target. I think it was good for me to wait actually, because if I chased that trade, I probably would have lost. But no problem. We may have a green candle now because this red green pattern may just continue. I'm not going to take any trade again. So sometimes it's not just about taking the trade. It's about, you see, the right entry matters too. Now, if market doesn't give you the right entry or the best entry for that trade, you may consider not taking it. Just like this, if I had taken the trade down here thinking it would come down, and it still gave us a red candle, but look at how thin it is. You understand? So it's one of those things that one of those reasons why one has to be patient with the market. I know it's not easy to be patient, guys, but it's a requirement. You understand? It's a requirement. I know it's not easy, but it's a requirement. We just have to be patient. Now we have a double bottom. The market is going up, or maybe they will start a new range here because they are beginning to give us red green pattern, and we are beginning to have lower highs and lower lows. So if we have this doji break, the sellers may actually come in because we are making lower highs and lower lows. So if price comes to this upper place, especially if it gives us a gap up on that round number, that might be a good place for us to take the trade. So you can see what I'm saying now. So if we have doji break, common point of rejection, those round numbers are our friends. This round number here, so this red green pattern now, you can see green red. Okay, we have two reds here, but you not count this doji. So we may have another red candle, but you see this common point of rejection, there might be a good alibi for us. Also, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. We have a supply area up here. So apart from the fact that we have sellers up here, if price breaks this what they call it, common point of rejection, this round number is a very good place for us to take the trade. So let's see if any of it is going to happen. We have to just be patient with this. We'll keep an eye on this market and wait. Okay, price is coming to our entry, so we need to keep an eye on that too. I know the sellers have an upper hand here. We have a gap up in favor of sellers, so at least this, yes, at least the first time they break out here, we should have this retracement. The first time. Now I don't know about the second time. So we should retrace enough for us to win. So Divine, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. Guys, if you're new here and I've not given you a shout out, go ahead and send me a hi in the comment section. Let me give you a shout out quickly. You know, we like to welcome all our new friends. You understand? And if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You understand? This is a very big family actually. We have, see guys, do you know that we are not just 3,000 subscribers? We are more than 3,000 subscribers actually. I mean 3,000 viewers. We are close to like 53,000 viewers. All of us together. We are a big family. You understand? Oh, you practice. That's good. I like that. I'm glad people are practicing these strategies. It's working, guys. The fact that I'm not trading live does not mean it's not working. I'm telling you, you're improving. Yes, I love that. That's very good. Please keep practicing. Trust me, it works. It will get to a point you'll gain enough confidence to take the real trades. Yeah, the BMBG family, correct. Yes, bread and butter gang. We have a lot of bread and butter here. Now so it's nice to have you guys here. Thank you so much for joining. Please go ahead and subscribe. You understand? Um, we are aim to get to 10,000 subscribers. You know, before the end of this month. You understand? If you look at the subscriber count, you see that we are getting close, very very close now to that 10,000 subscribers. It doesn't take us much to hit that 10,000. I'm telling you. Thank you very much, Divine. I really appreciate it. Divine. Thank you very much. You understand? Don't worry. Everybody's going to, very soon, all of us, on average, a day, all of us making 1,000 sharp. I'm telling you. Yeah, Romji Comedy, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much. Hey, my brother from Cameroon, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you very much. It's so nice to have you guys here. Thank you very much. You understand? So you can see we have this doji break and the we have the opposite candle. The red candle came in. I won't take this trade, but I'll take it with small amounts. This trade here, if price enters here, I'm going to take this trade with the sellers because we have sellers here and this is a gap up in favor of the sellers. Yeah, Harry Stars, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Oh, I'm so happy I didn't take this trade. I didn't expect the sellers to okay, I should have taken the trade above this round number. But I can still take this trade. Wait, I can still take this trade if we have a gap up. Yes. I should have targeted that round number, but this is a good one too. It's a good one too. I'm not even gonna worry about this trade because it was with small amounts. So let's go back to 12.5%. Okay, let's just wait for this trade to finish. You see this pattern is called 3 bar up pattern. That's one. Number two, we just broke a supply area, though it's not even totally broken yet. And we have a gap up close to a round number, so at least the seller should come in and give us a red candle, even if it's not a strong red candle. You understand? It should be a red candle. We should still win. Okay, cool. Initially within a very few minutes, we lost like half of our balance. Some people would have thought, no, it's over. But see, guys, if you are still in the market, even if it's $1 you have, it's not over. I'm telling you, because the market can turn around anytime in your favor. So don't ever be afraid to take your trades. Just go for it. It's as simple as that. As long as you know your strategy, yes, keep going for it. If you don't know the strategy, stay on demo, relax, learn. The market is still there. It's not going to run away. You understand? So just relax, learn the strategy properly. You take a very good trade. I'm sensing there's an entry here. So let me find the entry. If I don't see the entry, I won't take the trade. And these entries look misleading. Let me check S10. If I don't see a confirmed entry, okay. Okay, this is a good entry up here. This particular one. There's one down here too. For some reason, I don't trust it. Guys, I hope you're enjoying to this lecture. If you enjoyed this lecture, just tell me a little bit of encouragement helps. Like yesterday's now, I was very tired. You understand? Wait, today too, I needed some rest, but against all odds, I was like, I know some people will be waiting for me, so you understand? Let me just make myself available. So a little bit of encouragement here and there, support. You understand? I need your support, guys. So anytime it comes to your mind that we should support this guy, please go ahead and do it. Trust me, you understand? I want everybody to win. That's why I'm here. You understand? Somebody was saying it the other day that he thinks I'm trying to revenge because I've lost so much money in the market. Thank you, Timmy. So because I lost so much money in the market when I was not profitable. So because of that now, I'm taking revenge on Pocket Official. I was laughing. That's like, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one, but I want a lot of people to win. We cannot bankrupt Pocket Option. There's no way because a lot of people are losing every day. But at least we can take our own bite out of the apple. You get the gist. So I'm not saying that I'm doing this for revenge or anything. I'm just saying somebody said so. So I don't know if that's true or not because I wasn't even thinking about that. But if it's about taking our own bite of the apple, yes, we can. Because imagine if all of us can make consistently 1K, 2K, 10K every day. It makes sense now. They're going to fear ourselves, say, all these people don't come again now. And that's how it is. For the fact that you are being real is very encouraging. Please explain more about the trend breakout. Okay, no worries. I will explain. Though I have a lot of videos already. Thank you so much, Rom Comedy. Divine, thank you very much. Let's take this trade. I will explain this trade quickly. Though I don't trust this particular one I'm about to take, but I just want to take it because it seems like a probable entry. You see, now that price has come close and pulled back, we should not take this trade again. We should wait for this one up here. That's the way it works. You see, the sellers that were going to push this price back, some of them have been taken out by this pullback. So if price comes back again, we may not have enough sellers. Now we may still have enough sellers, but we don't know yet. You understand? So that's why most of the time when price comes to my entry and pull back like this and they didn't touch, I won't take this trade again. I'll wait for this one up here. Yes, that's what I do. Now I can say that the reason why this one pulled back was because this one was a failed entry here. So when price came into that entry, look at this one. You can see They pulled back from here. Now there may still be some sellers here, we don't know. And that's the reason why when your probability is not high, you don't take the trade. It's as simple as that. Because if your probability is high, you will take it. Let's check the other market. I pray these people should come down here now. They should come and pick our entry. We've been waiting since. Suppose don't reach our turn now. Who chop bread and butter? They should not do tico with do tico with our money. TV said they are doing tico. TV said they are doing tico with our money. It's true. This okay, we have red green pattern here. Oh. Can you imagine? I didn't observe that before. But I don't have any other reason to take trades here. So we have a gap up here in favor of sellers, but it's not sufficient. Yes, we have red green pattern. Yes. What other reason? We have another gap up in favor of sellers. Is this sufficient enough? I don't think so. This common point of rejection is not sufficient enough to take this trade. Don't worry. Let's not. We don't have enough. You see this one now? If they enter here now, we can take the trade. Yeah, now. I'm gonna give us a bit. Yeah. Come on now, don't pull back now. Oh, they're pulling back. Come on. That was the same thing they did here. You can see. So if we are taking the trade on this green candle now, I would have lost. So anytime they come close and they pull back like that, don't bother yourself again. It's a lost cause. Yes, it's a lost cause. Let's not worry about the next entry now is up here. Our next entry now is up here. So don't worry. So sometimes you may be trading a particular trade and it won't work out. But don't worry. If it doesn't work out, I'm sure God has better plans. Now let's check the direction of this common point of rejection. Now this one may work. If price get there, there's a round number here. That one can work. Because this market should have pulled back since. This market should have pulled back. Now we're making lower highs. So it tells you that this there are sellers here. There are sellers up here. Sometimes it's finding the very good entry or opportunity is where the work is. You understand? So if you don't see a good one, you have to keep checking. Let me see how long I've been running. We run for 50 minutes. When it gets to 60 minutes, I'm going to pause. I actually still need that rest, but I just wanted to be here with you guys. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for joining. It's nice to have you guys here. Please go ahead to subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Let's check this QM. Okay, we have an opportunity here. Let's mark it. I've seen one entry in S30. Now guys, if you need explanation to all these strategies, let me tell you what to do quickly. Hey Gemworld, hey guys, we have Gemworld in the house. Gemworld, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. Guys, if you don't know, Gemworld is one of the biggest OG of this channel. She's been supporting us back to back from day one. Yes, you see, the OGs know themselves. You understand? Once they land like this, they just greet. You understand? It be like say Gemworld self don't get fan past me now. But God did. You understand? No worry, take all the fans. So I don't need the fans for anything. Just the supporters to go. Now I hope that. I'm all right. Take all the fans, please. We did all right. Abio, even you say vote for this channel. Stanley, it's nice to have you here. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. So we have a QM here. This ABC to the downside, push to the upside. Stanley, thank you, Jerry. Yes, we have some old cargoes in this channel. So end of day, nothing happen. Oh my god. Hmm. I'm looking at this market. We have a double top here. So we should have the sellers to like push to the downside anytime soon. Oops, look at this move. Let's go with the buyers here. I'm expecting a green candle because of this push. This is an exhaustion candle breaking this. I know we have a doji here. Oh, come on now. What's happening? I'll still go with the buyers one more time. I'm expecting a green candle. This push to the downside requires a retracement, especially because of this doji. So let's see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, let's just wait. If we have enough buy orders here, at least to give us enough push to the upside to win the trade, that would be beautiful. And I'm praying they don't push in the last 10 seconds because that last 10 seconds usually is the crucial part of this kind of trades. So let's see what happens. It said the last 10 seconds. Come on, come on. Okay, that was a beautiful trade. Let me see what happened. Okay, the two trades were beautiful. We won it. But that was a very narrow escape. We actually won this trade because of this gap up. There was a gap up in favor of sellers there. But I'm not going to take any other trade again right now. But this push to the upside, I was expecting this red candle to be the one that will actually give us the winning trade, but no problem. Let me check this market again because I know now that we have a double top, the sellers should be heading towards this direction. Though somebody might say we have a common point of rejection down here, and they will not lie, but common point of rejection against a double top is not a good idea. So yes, we may have a common point of rejection, but we have a double top at the top there too. So or it may be a price channel. But there are several ways to look at it. You understand? This may be a price channel, and they will come here and go back up. To this area. So when it comes to trading, you have to have an open mind and a very flexible mind. Dark Therapy, thank you so much for joining. Hope you're feeling great today. It's nice to have you here. So sometimes you have to have that flexible mind to be able to rearrange the market in your mind in such a way that it will actually make sense. Oh wow, sorry about that. I hope it didn't affect you negatively. No, I didn't see it. I wasn't actually in the market during that period. So okay, I'm looking at all those markets that we marked to see if we'll be able to. Okay, that would be nice. Okay, fine. Our trade finally. Yeah, come to our entry. Thank you. We've been waiting for you since. So yeah. Emma Bob. Can we have a gap down? No. Come down. Come and pick the buyers first. Before you go now, come and pick the buyers. Oh, now which kind of thing be this now? Come and pick the buyers. You don't have enough buyers. See the way I'm talking with the market. You're laughing. We have buyers down here. You should come and pick the buyers. They want to go up, yes, but they don't have enough buyers to go up now. I'm not going to chase the market. I'll just leave it. But you know what? There's okay. I know there's going to be a decision point up here. Somewhere here. You're laughing. I'll be now. We have a decision point down here. There are some sellers here. Though the movement of the market is with the buyers right now. Is with the buyers. So if price comes down, we are still going to take this trade. It's just that you see that first time they entered, it would have been so nice. I think what happened is that the market considered the order block instead of the demand area, because there's a demand area inside this order block, and inside that demand area there's a lower time frame entry. But now I'm targeting the lower time frame entry, which is this one. So if price comes down, we will take the trade with the buyers here. Now I really pray we have a gap down at least here. Give us gap down, please. Margin of safety, can we do it? Yes. Oh yeah, come down more, yes. Those are the buyers I was referring to the other time. These are the buyers I was referring to the other time. So we may now continue with the red green pattern we're going now. Let's see. There should be enough buy orders in this area to give us a winning trade. Except these buyers and sellers have decided to I'm still going to go with the buyers again because I'm expecting them to give us one more push at least. Unless these sellers have decided to like break this level. So though I should have waited under this round number, but I wasn't thinking they would even get there in the first place. Okay. These sellers have decided not to agree. This is another place where the sellers can come in. And where the buyers can come in, I mean. No. Abio, the sellers are they've decided a lie. They're going to probably come in at some point, but I've lost almost all the money here. I know they're going to come in at some point, but I would stop buying here because they've just broken through this very strong level without any retracement. So it means that if they come back here now, this whole area now is going to turn to a supply area for them. Let me just check something in the lower time frame. Okay, they are very strong sellers, true. For them to have created that doji candle, they are strong sellers. This one. Look at this. So finally, they are beginning to come in. Here we go. Well, no problem. We'll just come back and check it again. Let's check the rest of the markets. Okay, I can't take this trade unless there's unless we have a gap up, or unless we have a Marabozu candle here. Can we have a Marabozu candle? Okay. Oh, my entry is bad. I should have entered here. Okay, I have a good opportunity here. Let me see. This is a Marabozu candle. I'm expecting a red candle after this. Let's see how that happens. Oh, let me check something. Oh, this is a crazy momentum in the lower time frame. Now you see this kind of this kind of movement in the market is what people call manipulation. You understand? But actually, it's not a manipulation. It's that could have been said down. Okay, I'm still gonna go with the sellers here, but I'm waiting for something. If I see it, fine. Or I won't just take this trade. It's a momentum. Now, initially, I wasn't thinking that this long candle was going to happen. I wanted to take the trade above this round number here because of this supply here. But we can take this kind of trade after this, or we can just keep this whole momentum. You can see we don't have any gap up or anything, so we'll not take this trade. You see that kind of trade I took here? Where's that trade again? This kind of trade I took here is the same thing that's happening here. Almost the same move. You understand? We have an ABC break. If you go here now, you see we have an ABC break. This ABC break, you can see, is the same. So you see now this one is going to act differently. Unless this one too, they want to become so I'm going with the buyers here. The only reason why I will not go with the buyers is if we have a gap up. Okay, we have a gap down. My entry is bad, but I'll still go with the buyers. Now let me check something quickly. The same trade, it's not different. That's why I used to say sometimes when give us fifth candle theory. Yes, you understand. We have fifth candle theory. Now, the thing there is sometimes when your strategy doesn't work in a particular situation, it doesn't mean the strategy is bad. You understand? It doesn't mean your strategy has an error. It simply just means sometimes that the market has decided to shift from what it used to be, and you are just caught up in that moment, taking that trade. So don't be afraid. You understand? When you make losses back to back like that, it's part of the whole thing. If you've gotten used to the market, you realize that it's just part of the whole thing. It happens, and it doesn't matter how low you've gone, you can always recover everything. Okay, look at that trade that we took that time. I would easily take this trade now. It's going to be a winning trade. Let's see. Okay, we'll take the trade here now. If it goes up, I'm going to just go full margin on it here. Okay. Maybe you applied at the wrong timing. Now, sometimes timing is everything, but sometimes I'm telling you, market might have made a decision. You understand? To look at this, you see this trade we took here was a beautiful trade. I'm telling you, it's a good trade. You see the fact that we have this pullback here. You understand? Further, um, um, gratifies that there's actually something going on here. That's why the pullback happened here. You see, there's another decision that was made down here that pushed the price to this upside. We may not see it, but if you go to lower time frame, okay, you can see this is a decision point on its own. You understand? Immediately, price comes back into this area now. They are not going to pass this area again. They are just going to keep going up from this point. Let me try and see if I can mark it. You can see price is coming back into this area now. They're going to push to the upside. Do you have Discord? I have a Telegram channel. Um, I have a Telegram channel. It's in the description of this video. You can just click on it. You understand? Did I save it? No, I didn't save it. Let me mark it again. So I'll show you what has happened now. Look at what I was saying. Let me see if I can. Okay, look at this. Price came into that entry. You can see they pulled out of the entry before they closed. So it's part of what I was talking about, that when they make a decision like that and they come back into that decision point, they always retrace most of the time. And sometimes that decision point might be disrespected twice, just like this one. They disrespected down, going down. They disrespected it going up again. But eventually, when they come back the third time, you can see they have to respect it. So, because decision point are area of interest in the market. When market gets there, even if they brute force their way out of it, eventually they're still going to come back to it. So it happens like that sometimes, and I understand. But I think my time is up right now. We've lost all our balance. So we'll come back tomorrow by God's grace. You understand? We'll start again. And I believe that we're going to, I hope you guys learned something, because that's the most important thing. If you're able to learn something, that's the most important thing. We'll do it again tomorrow again, you understand? And eventually at some point to make so much sense. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're here to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much for doing that. You understand? I hope to do 2 sessions tomorrow. I really don't know how it's going to be, but let's just see how it goes. So thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Peace. Thank you, Timmy. Thank you, Timmy. I really appreciate that.